Okay, so I just want to start the recording. Okay, just give me a second. And yeah, let's see, taking your time. Okay, so let me introduce myself first. My name is Harish Kumar. I'm working with WES as an IT person. Now we are here to introduce you about the SFTP portal, how to log in on that portal, how to upload the files, and some security features of that portal. Okay. Okay, now I would like to request you, can you please tell me your name and your position? Yes, sir, your name and your position. Okay, perfect. And could you please confirm that you are the authorized person to share the document for the whole institute or a particular faculty or a department? Uh, okay, perfect. So, sir, you have seen you received some email from WES which containing a link regarding set password or something like that. So, okay, yeah, and you have set it your password? Perfect, sir. Perfect. So now I would like to request you please share your screen and show me, open that portal so I can guide you about that portal. Okay. Just yes, I can see your. Okay, just give me a second, sir. Just give me a second. Okay, no issue. Yes, I can see your screen. Okay. So, sir, so you already logged in. That's a perfect thing. So you can see in the middle of screen City University. That is your main folder. We also called that root folder. Okay. So in the future, when you need to upload documents, you need to enter over there. So just double click on that. Perfect. Now hold on. Now hold on, sir. Sir, just go back. You don't need to enter in the tutorial. Yeah, yeah. Double click over there. Perfect. Now, okay. No issue. You are completely out of sight. Okay, just click on City University, your folder name. Double click. Yeah. Now hold on. So now, sir, you are entered in your folder. So in the future, when you need to upload your documents, you need to upload over here. Now I need to share some instructions with you. Please listen carefully, okay? No, 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 that's yeah, yeah. Just hold on, sir. Now I need to share some instructions. Is the all things are I covered over there. So first point is when you need to upload documents, you need to upload over here in your main folder. And please, you don't need to create any subfolder or any. Don't go any another folder like tutorial or any another folder you can see in the future. You just need to upload files over here. Okay. The second point is, you need to upload documents only in PDF format. Yeah. And the third point is, which is the main point. So before uploading documents, you need to rename those documents which you receive from students. And sir, you can see when you receive document from students, you also receive 7-digit WES reference number. So what do you need to, yeah. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to rename those documents with that reference number, with that WES reference number, and only use reference number, no alphabet, nothing else. No, we don't need to use any name or something like that. Only use reference number. And suppose, sir, if there's a multiple document with the same reference number, sometimes students share multiple. Sometimes they don't combine all the documents. They send us documents separately. So what do you need to do that? You need to use reference number dash one, reference number dash two. Okay, students, students who's the okay. Let me tell you, students share the document with you for the evaluation or that uploading those documents. So you need to ask him, please share also your WES reference number. Okay, okay. So that yeah, these are the point. Now I would like to ask you, sir, do you have any file right now so we can try to upload and try to demonstrate things? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, something. And let me tell you, sir, don't use any alphabet and nothing else. Okay. Okay. So, sir, now do you have any file right now so you can try to upload? Okay. No issue. No issue. No issue. No issue. Sir, let me tell you, you don't need to do that. I share the test file with you, so it will be helpful to you. Okay. Just give me a second and please check your email. I send the test file. Just refresh the things. So, I send that email in your which email? It's COE at City University. That email. Yeah, that is the file. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, this is the file, and you can see just down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You download that file. Okay. So you can see the name of that file. It is a test reference number. Basically, we using for the testings. So you need to use the reference number just like that. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So now go to the Quatrix portal. Click on upload. Click on add file. Try to find that file. Yeah, perfect. Click on open. Select and open. Yeah, perfect. Now you can see the start upload or something like that. Submit in the yellow. Yeah, perfect. Now hold on, sir. I need to check in the background. So just allow me some minutes. Just give me a second, sir. Actually, I need to check in the background. Is it successfully uploaded or just like that thing? So just allow. Okay. So we received the file. That is how you need to upload the documents. Are you understand, sir? Okay. Now I think we need to move on the next step. So, sir, you need to share your university IP address with us. Yeah, please share. Yeah, please, sir, if you don't mind, can you share with me in the chat, in the Teams chat? Teams chat, sir. Open your Teams. Open the video call where you started the video call, sir. You can see there's an option chat. Yeah, perfect, sir. Perfect. Okay, we can. Okay, I think that is the thing. Okay, sir. So now, sir, I want to introduce you about a feature of that portal. The feature name is two-factor authentication. Now I'm telling you how it works, and after that, you will decide you want that feature or not. It is totally up to you. If you want that feature, we enable that. If you don't want, we don't enable that. Okay? It is totally up to you. So now I'm telling you how it works. So, sir, after we enable that feature, when you try to log in your account, it will ask you your email ID and your password, which you already did. And after that, you can see it is also asked you a 6-digit code for verification, just like OTP if you remember things. So what you need to do that, you need to download Google Authenticator application in your phone, and you can see when it's asking for 6-digit code on your computer screen when you try to log in, there's a QR code also available. So you need to do that thing. First, download Google Authenticator, then try to sign in with QR code. And then you need to scan that QR code which is flashing on your computer screen. When you scan that QR code, it will automatically logged in your Google Authenticator. Then you can see there's a 6-digit code flashing on your Google Authenticator. You need to put that code on your computer screen. Then you need to click on verify, and after that, it will allow you to log in your account. So that is how you are the only person who can log in your account. So yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. Let me tell you, we don't need to use mobile for uploading. It is only for verification. If you know, just like a authentication. Okay, so that is what is the thing, sir? It is a security purpose. That is the you are the only person who can log in this account. So now I would like to ask you if you understand. Do you want that feature or not? Okay, no issue, sir. So in the future, if you required, you can also enable by your side. You need to go in the settings. You need to click on two-factor authentication, then click on enable. That's the simple thing. Okay, perfect. So, sir, I would like to ask you: do you have any another contact email or any web page so we can share with us our applicants? Okay, I think we already have that email ID. Perfect. That's the perfect thing. Okay. Okay. And sir, I would like to ask you, please use only one computer. Don't use multiple computer for uploading documents. Okay. Okay. So, sir, I'm sending my email address in the chat box. Please note down that email address. If in the future, if you have any query or if you have any issue, you can email us. We can help you over there. Yeah, yeah. Please note down. Okay, got it. Perfect. So I think, sir, we are going to conclude of that meeting. You know how to log in. I already told you about the how to upload the files and some security features, and all things are perfectly gone. So, do you have any question about this process? Sir, let me tell you, sir. Let me tell you, sir. When student applying for the WES, they have an own portal or something like that, so they can see their file or their document process or something like that over there. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing. Your work is only you need to upload the document. And let me tell you one more thing if you want to know the file status. So, sir, basically, when you after the some time, there's one folder automatically appear in your root folder. The folder name is SFTP logs. So, sir, basically, if you want to know your file status, you need to go in that folder. You can see there's an Excel files comes over there. So what you need to do that you need to open that Excel file. The Excel file name will be by the date, okay, when you're uploading the document, something like that. So just open that Excel file and you can see your file name and the file status about the file is accepted or rejected, something like that. Okay. Sorry, what you said? Okay, that is the WES file. Okay, open that file. Let me tell you. Open that file. Open that file. Okay, okay. So as we can see, just minimize that folder. You can see WES reference number. That yeah, that is the WES reference number. So you need to copy that reference number and rename the file with that reference number. Okay, sometime you got that reference number in the document. Sometime you need to ask with the students. Okay. Okay, sir. I think all things are sorted for you. And so have a great day. We are happy to onboard in this process. And if you have any query or something like that, you can email us. And after this meeting, you get an email about that MOM meeting of moment about this. So you can share our feedback about this meeting, how it goes for you by mentioning my name. So it will just like a feedback for us. Okay? Okay. 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 So basically, sir, where is your university located in India? Okay. 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 Perfect. 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 Actually, I am from also Indiana, so that's why I asked. I'm from Rajasthan. Yeah. UK. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Have a nice day, sir. Bye bye.